Welcome back, my people. D Mac again, giving you another beautiful morning walk from Lucky Valley in St. Catherine. So, this is a nice little district, very quiet. I don't know much about it, but I'm here now. I'm going to give you a morning walk. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour of Lucky Valley. Yeah. Yes, so what's up? Where you going with your clean up? Yeah, do a morning clean up.
Yeah, man, so man, you can about the sun hot and
Yeah, so that means say sun hot, you know.
yeah.
Okay.
Regular duty, man, but
Regular duty.
yeah,
Yeah, okay.
sun.
Yeah.
It's a late start, so
Yeah.
just, I feel you can reflect up in the sun, you know?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this community look like a nice community.
Yeah, man, Lucky Valley.
Lucky Valley. Yeah.
So first you come across?
Well, not really. Me come up at the funeral. Me do up at the funeral there. Yeah, up there. Yeah. So me, yeah, so me just do a. Yeah. Okay.
Leave your community with the world away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So me I walk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So and come.
Me just a walk and view the area, you know.
It was a sad loss, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man, I saw you, man, you can view as a life, man, you're free.
Free.
Yeah, man, community, peaceful communities, man.
Oh, peaceful community.
Valley Area.
Oh, okay.
Man, you can walk on Valley with any was a night.
And it was a night.
Naturally.
Oh, okay.
Free, violence free. Nice community.
And it look fruitful though. You have a lot of fruit tree around here.
Fruit, the man, man. Use them.
Yeah.
I'm going to use them to get some more fruit.
All right.
Man, view was a life, man. I saw you going.
Yes, that's how I go, you know. All right, my brother. So later on. Yeah. All right, guys. Just to take a morning walk through the community, you know. Yeah. It really look like Lucky Valley because you have a lot of hills around here. Down in the valley, you know. Yeah. Wow. So it's a steep hill. See a lot of coconut around here. Wow, look at this Calabash tree here. Wow. Some huge calabash on the tree here. Wow, look at this. Oh, look at this guys here. Wow. So this is what the Rasta they use and make their plate, and they make cup from it too, and people use it make borsch too. Yeah. Look at it. Some big one on this tree here. Yeah. Wow. Got that banana ready to ripe right at the roadside there. Wow. Most of you guys supposed to remember this tree. This is isle nut tree. This is what they use to make castor oil. Castor oil, see there? It's just start bearing. Yeah. Yes, what's up?
Yes, yes.
Oh, you cut down the breadfruit tree, man?
Boy, I don't want to do it, but it's so good, you know.
You don't want to do it, but you have to cut it down.
It have to cut down, man.
Okay. So these breadfruit on the road then good?
Yeah, man.
Eh?
I eat, man. You want one?
They can eat?
Yeah, man. Then I eat, man.
They can roast?
You can't roast.
Eh?
I cook.
Oh, then can... Me see one down here look like he can roast, man.
Well, look like you can't roast, yeah?
Yes. See one right here.
Go black.
Okay.
Not me nice, man.
Alright, me can leave it till me I come back.
Yeah, man. I don't remember saying
Alright, my brother. Eh? You can pick up cooking one too? Okay.
Django. Good. Let me take a second. You have to go on this way, yeah?
Oh. The year I look fruitful, man.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
Man,
Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, me just walk up the road and come back here. Yeah. Wow. This tree is a nutmeg tree. Look at it. See. This is nutmeg and it have a lot of nutmeg on it. If you can see it, guys. I don't know if you can see it. See the nutmeg right there? So when they open, they drop out. Oh. Oh. Yeah, all the rooster crowing. And the bird singing. Look at this banana here. Whoa. It's a giant banana, this one here. Look at that. See, they have an apple tree right here, full load. But they're young. Yeah. When you're in the country like this, you can't hungry. Look there. Look at food. Banana, mango, banana, and a lot of coconut tree.
Yes, Ricky.
Yes, man. What's up? Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Good morning.
Right.
Another plum tree here. Look at that. What? They're all young. Yeah. Okay. Lucky Valley Primary School. Okay. Oh, it's school right up there. It's Sunday morning, so they're having churches keeping, you know. Okay, so this is the Lucky Valley Primary School. Nice goat. Alright guys, that's it for this one. I don't think I'm gonna go too far from here now. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. I'm gonna go right around the corner there and turn back. Yeah. Lot of mountains in the area here. Yeah. Yes, what's up? You all right? No, no. Yeah. Pear tree here. A lot of young pear on it, but you know, pear time not coming until maybe August them time there, you know. Got the breadfruit tree right at the roadside here.